This is an assembly video for the Songmics laundry basket. This is for the 170 liter one. I do not have the other sizes, but I imagine that it's very similar to put these items together. This was sent to me by the brand. First and foremost, I'd like to take everything out of the box and unwrap it. This looks like it has different letters and numbers to differentiate the hardware from the actual pieces of the hamper itself. This has 7 steps total, so let's get started. For the first step, you'll need the part A, which is the biggest of the 2 circles, and it only is a solid circle, not like the bottom piece. In addition, you'll need the hardware that's labeled G. There are 4 little small white pieces, and then 4 of the F, which are longer screws. You will also need 4 of the poles labeled C. Now, if you look closely at the diagram and the directions, it does not actually show you the metal grooves that are on the part C. So that is actually going to hold the bottom circle. So as you're attaching A to the C poles, make sure that that ridge poking out is at the bottom and not up near the circle that you're attaching it to. I found it easiest to take the screw and put it into A and then take that white piece and make sure that the grooves are in the right spot and then push that into the long pole labeled C. Start to turn it in with your hands manually and then finish with the Allen wrench. You will then go ahead and repeat that step to finish all of the C poles. I'll go ahead and speed this video up so you don't have to watch me do it. And then for the following step, you'll need B, which is that other larger circle that you'll be putting in at the bottom. So you're going to line that up with those little ridges that are at the bottom of the poles labeled C. You're going to line those up and you're going to take the pieces labeled F. Again, those are the same screws as the step before, and you're going to put those in through the inside. In the directions, step 3 and 4 are actually the remaining poles for this step that I've been discussing. So we're going to move on to step 5, which is putting the wheels on. There are 2 wheels that have brakes on them. So you are actually going to put those across from each other. So going in a circle, you'll have one with brakes, one without, one with brakes, and one without. There is a tiny wrench that this comes with, so you can actually tighten these, because as you're turning the wheel, you'll realize it's not actually going in. There's like an inner part that you need to hold so that it is actually going into the pole. So for step 6, you're actually going to take D, which is the laundry bag itself, and you're going to go ahead and put that inside the middle of what you've just created. Once you've spread it out a bit, you will start to take the top of it around that top metal ring and you're going to fold it over, and you will see that there are actually hooks and clips that attach to each other to keep that bag from staying in place and not coming out of this contraption. And once you do that, that is it. This thing is complete. This is extremely durable, and I can't wait to see how much laundry this holds. This is incredible. And I love the wheels. That's a great bonus, especially for a growing family. And the brakes are great as well. Highly recommend this.